bingas ko.
Seven, 8, 9, 10. Yun. Okay po.
Sir, salamat ha. Salamat. Okay.
Thank you po.
Sir, nalaglag. Thank you, thank you.
Thank you po.
Bago palit. Hindi ko to.
Pagkatapos kong bumili ng gulong na quick tire na ang size ay the same pa rin nung aking stock na gulong, which is 90 by 90 by 14, dumiretso na ako dito sa vulcanizing shop na malapit dito sa may amin. Kasi dito lang meron machine na ginagamit para pantanggal ng ating mags para hindi magasgas yung mags natin. Pero ito ang nangyari, mga katropa.
Ayan. Ito na lang yung tatanggalin. Hindi kaya mag-bingas to. Sige, ingatan nyo na mga pero tanggal pa ba yung nodes ko? Kasi yung kanina. Hindi ba? Doon mo ba yan? Akala ko bakit? Ano bang pantanggal nyo dyan sa ganyan, sir? Hindi pa nabuwag sir yung aking max. And this is my game to play to claim a brand new name. And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might be gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I'll look here, look there, but where am I scared, where am I at?
At dahil nga sa no choice na kundi sikwatin lang ng ating stock na gulong, pinalagyan ko na lang ng basahan para ma-less yung damage dun sa ating mags. Ngayon, kung mangyayari din sa inyo to, much better na palagyan nyo din ng basahan bago sikwatin yung stock na gulong para malesen yung damage sa ating mags. At ito na ang ating bagong gulong na quick tire na ang size ay same pa rin ng ating stock na gulong. Hindi ako nagpalapad ng gulong kasi once na pinalapad natin yung gulong, medyo mababawasan yung ating arangkada at yung top speed natin ay medyo mababawasan din. In short, medyo babagal tayo.
Ayun, may tama ng kopya yun.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. I'm being for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going
Itong washer na to mga katropa, yan. Kinalawang na raw yan sa loob. Bali yung kalawang ng washer na yan, kumapit dun sa bakal. Yun ang hindi matanggal. So kailangan daw ng special tools para doon, para matanggal yung washer na yan, para matanggal na rin natin yung ating mags. After nilang ikabit yung bagong gulong mga katropa, isa-isa na nilang ibinabalik ang mga binaklas nila, gaya ng swing arm, mga tornilyo, at yung ating tambutso. At ito na nga mga katropa ang ating bagong bili na budget tire, quick tire. Sinubukan ko po ito sa basang kalsada at hindi naman po ako dumulas. Kahit na membreno po ako, makapit po siya, maging sa tuyo o sa basang kondisyon ng kalsada. Ride safe mga katropa at maraming salamat sa pagsuporta sa aking munting channel.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet. Damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?